I wanted to talking about the simple present tense. What is simple present tense? Before we jump to our materials, I want to introduce myself. My name is Vina Kusnawanti and I'm from English Education Study Program A2. Okay, let's get it. Guys, the simple present tense is more easier between any tenses. And you can take a look in here. I give you some example or some explain it about the simple present tense. The simple present tense is a verb tense with two main uses. We use the simple present tense when an action is happening right now, or when it happens regularly or occasionally, which is why it's sometimes called present indefinite. Depending on the person, the simple present tense is formed by using the root form or by adding s or es to the en. And for the next, I will give you some formula. See the simple present tense. For the first, the formula by nominal. The formula nominal is subject, to be, complement. And for the negative, nominal is subject plus to be plus not and complement. And for the interrogative, it's like to be plus subject and complement. And for the verbal, we use the verb, of course, and we use verb 1. For the positive verbal is subject plus verb 1 and plus s or es. And don't forget plus complement. And for the negative verbal is subject plus do or does not plus verb 1, of course, and for the last is complement. And for the interrogative, do or does plus subject and plus verb 1 plus complement. Don't forget to take quotation mark. So I want to give you example the nominal sentence. For the first is like, I'm an international school student. Saya adalah seorang mahasiswa. And for the negative sentences is like, she is not an international school student. Dia bukan seorang mahasiswa. And for the last is interrogative nominal is like, is she an international school student? Alright. And for the verbal, it's more easier because we use some verb and you must use verb 1 just for verb 1 because the simple present tense is action for right now. For the verbal formula example is like, she lives in Japan. And for the negative is like, he doesn't live in Seoul. The doesn't can't be shortened. It's like doesn't, but for the longer it's like does not. And for the last is interrogative. Do I work? Apakah saya bekerja? Nah, seperti itu. Jadi, simple present tense itu adalah salah satu sentence yang dimana aksinya itu dilakukan pada saat ini atau saat sekarang gitu. Jadi verbal, makanya ada nominal dan verbal itu tuh untuk membedakan. Kalau misalnya verbal itu menggunakan verb, ya. Udah pasti kalau misalnya pakai verb, kalau simple present tense itu menggunakan verb 1. Karena simple present tense itu adalah suatu aksi yang dilakukan saat ini atau saat sekarang juga. Jadi menggunakan verb 1. Nah, untuk nominal itu kita menggunakan to be seperti are, is, kayak gitu. Jadi makanya tadi di verbal sama nominal kita bedakan. Kalau nominal itu pakai to be dan kalau misalnya verbal itu pakai verb. Dan dipastikan kalau misalnya subjeknya itu he, she, it itu pakai s atau es gitu. Contohnya kayak tadi, she lives in Japan. Nah, live-nya itu kan verb 1 nih. Nah, verb 1-nya itu dia menggunakan s jadi lives. Kan asalnya live jadi lives gitu. Kalau misalnya yang nomina itu gak ada perubahan apa-apa, gak pakai es atau s gitu. Kalau nominal itu cuman kayak I am, they are, kayak gitu, we are. Jadi perbedaan nominal sama verbal itu sudah terlihat ya. Kalau verbal itu udah pasti pakai verb. Kalau misalnya nominal itu udah berarti pakai to be. Seperti itu. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you can apply in your daily activities, and thank you very much. Bye bye.